Hello everyone, welcome to ZenithQuest. I am John. Many people are confused about what generative AI machine learning actually means and how it differs from traditional machine learning. Today I will explain the difference in simple terms and show a demo with the Iris dataset. The code for the demo is available on GitHub. You can see in the description. You can use it, run it yourself and explore further. If you look into traditional ML, it's like a teaching a student. We collect data, clean it, do feature engineering, split into train, test, and then train a model like RandomForest. For example, in iris flowers, the model learns from the sepal and petal measurements and predicts this is versicolor or this is a different version. Like that, it will say. Okay. Whereas in generative AI machine learning, is like asking an expert who has already studied everything. We use a pre-trained model. In our demo, we use Hugging Face pipeline with a model called Facebook BART large MNLI. I will show you in the code. Now I'm just explaining. And this lets us do zero shot classification. That also I will explain. We give a description of the flower in plain text and possible labels. Okay, and the model predicts the best match without us training it. So here there is no training. We are giving in the input in a plain text. So that is one of the important part in generative AI ML. Okay, so traditional ML needs training and feature engineering. Gen AI ML skips training because it's already pre-trained on huge data sets. Instead, we focus on prompts and labels. Both approaches solve classification, but they differ in efforts and workflows. Okay, so now I am going to show the demo. Okay, it's available in GitHub. The code is available in GitHub. You can use it. And I will show both the methods on the iris dataset. You might have done iris dataset in your Kaggle competition, and it's any scientist knew, right? What is iris dataset type of classification? And this traditional ML with a random forest, it gives accuracy and predictions. Whereas in Gen AI ML with the BART zero shot pipeline, it gives label probabilities directly from the text. Okay, so that only I am going to now explain. So here is the code. Okay, you can it's just like I have given some requirements. What are the things? The whole folder is available in the GitHub. You can use it. Okay, so the first part is like traditional ML classification. Okay, you might have done. Okay, load iris. Here we are doing like splitting, right? Train test split, it is 80 to 20%, and I am using the random forest classifier. Okay, and it's simple, right? What is the accuracy and what is the score prediction example? We are getting those details. Okay, it is like a traditional ML. Here comes the generative AI. Okay, that text classification. Here we are using transformers and what classifiers, zero sort classification, and the flower details we are giving, and the generative AI, or like how it should be printed. Okay, so I will execute it actually. So here I'll give Python traditional versus EY. Okay, so this is the part. Now it will execute. So it has executed the traditional part. It is the accuracy is 1.0. Prediction example versicolor. Okay, this is for the traditional. Okay, whereas the device had to CPU. Okay, we have given not GPU. It's up to us. The generative AI. Okay, the next part is here. Okay, generative text classification. The input, right? The flower has long petals and this bright yellow. It is actually means we are giving the input text. Okay, and it is giving the prediction. The vesicular is the predicted one, and its score is 0.768. Okay, so if you look into traditional ML, it's a lot of things we need to do. Like we need to do training, and the system has to understand everything. But in Gen AI, it's not like that. Okay, we need a few things actually. You can see in the slides also. Okay, so if I want to give detail means like you may ask what is this pipeline zero sort classification, right? Here I might have given, right? So this is like the pipeline is like a high level Hugging Face tool, mainly for the task like classification, summarization, and translation. Whereas this zero sort classification, this is like task type. This, it will let us classify text into labels, and even if the model was not trained on those exact labels. So labeling is not a issue, and it is not required for GenAI, whereas in traditional ML, it's a must. In GenAI ML, it's not required. And this Facebook slash BART large MNLI, right? This is the part, okay? This is the model LLM, okay? A large pre-trained NLP model fine-tuned on natural language interference. It can reason if text belongs to one of several candidate classes. So overall, if I want to say, we used a pre-trained GenAI model, we can say as BART, that can classify text into labels without custom training. This is called zero sort classification. Okay, so now you understand what is the traditional ML and what is the GenAI ML, how they are differs actually. Because if you go for nowadays in any data science interviews, GenAI is a must, right? So this can definitely, I hope this definitely helps you, and I hope you like it, you enjoy it, and like and share your comments also. I will catch you in another video. Thank you.